Most AI tools generate random images, but this one actually understands your story. I typed just one sentence and it created a full cinematic storyboard with the same character across all 9 shots. Honestly, this feels like something that should be paid. But right now, all of this is completely free for the next 2 weeks. So here's what's happening. InVideo just launched something new: AI agents. It can create AI storyboards with consistent characters using just one simple prompt. If you've ever tried making videos with AI, you already know how difficult it is to keep the same character across different scenes. But with InVideo's new AI agents, this process becomes surprisingly simple. You can take a basic idea and turn it into a complete cinematic storyboard automatically. And if you want to try this yourself, I've added the link in the description. It's free for the next 2 weeks. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step and show you exactly how it works. So first, just open your browser. Search for InVideo AI. You'll find the link in the description as well. Sign up using your email or Google account. Once you log in, you'll land on this dashboard. So this is the InVideo homepage. It's basically an all-in-one AI video creation platform where you can create videos, generate content, and use multiple AI models all in one place. Whether you're making YouTube videos, ads, or just testing ideas, InVideo gives you everything you need in a single workflow. But today, we're going to focus on something new they recently launched. Just scroll down a bit and here you'll see the AI agents section. You'll find Looks Agent, Boards Agent, Angles Agent. Each of these agents has a different role. Boards creates the story, Looks changes the style, and Angles changes the camera perspective. We'll start with the Boards agent. This is the main agent we are going to focus on today. By the way, all three of these AI agents are free for the next 2 weeks, so definitely try this out while it's available. So I'll click on Boards, then create a new project. Name your project, and now we get this simple interface. Now here's the best part. You don't need complicated prompts. Just describe your story normally. Here you can set things like resolution. You can select up to 4K. Aspect ratio, I'll keep it 16:9. Output, you can select the number of variations you want to generate. 1, 2, 3 or 4. I'll select only one for now. In trends, make sure board is selected. And now just click generate. And just like that, we get a complete 9-shot storyboard. And this is where things get interesting. Now look at this carefully. Same character across all shots. No regenerating, no fixing faces. And the story actually makes sense. It's progressing step by step. This is the difference. Most AI tools generate images. This one understands the story. And we've only used one simple prompt till now. Now here's something really interesting. This isn't just one AI doing everything. Behind the scenes, multiple specialized agents are working together like a full production team. There's a context agent that understands your inputs and references, a story agent that breaks your idea into a proper sequence of shots, a world-building agent that creates the environments, a character agent that makes sure the same person stays consistent across every scene, and a composition agent that decides camera angles, framing, and how each shot should look. So instead of generating random images, it's actually planning your entire story like a real production workflow. Now to extract individual shots, just click Attach to Prompt. Click on Boards. Then select Extract Shots here. Here you'll see a prompt already written. You just replace the number. Like if I want shot 1, I'll type 1, then click generate. And now we get a high quality version of that shot. You can similarly extract all the shots just by replacing the shot number. Once all your shots are extracted, you can convert these into videos, which we'll see in a while. But here's where it gets even more powerful. What if you want to create something like a product ad? Let's say I want to create a product ad. I will create a new project. Click here and upload a product image, a luxury watch. By the way, this is not a real brand. It's an AI generated image just for demo purpose. Now I'll type a prompt in the prompt box. This time I gave a slightly detailed prompt. I basically tried to explain the concept of the ad here. And again, we get a full 9-shot storyboard. Look at this. Same product across different scenes, different angles, different setups, but still consistent. Also look at the model here. Same man in every shot. So now you're not just creating stories, you can actually create full ad concepts with AI.
Now you can also convert these into videos using different models.
In videos, you can select any model of your choice. I will select Kling 3.0 video. Just attach the image you want to convert into video. Here you can add audio files like music, dialogue if you wish to. You can also add elements here. I'll skip these for now. Video quality can be up to 1080p. Choose if you want the output with sound or without sound. Aspect ratio. Duration of the clip can be set up to 15 seconds. I want an 8 seconds clip. Number of video variations you want at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll keep it to 1 only. Write a prompt and click generate. And you'll get a cinematic video clip like this. The output is amazing. Similarly, we can turn all the shots into videos easily. And remember, this entire thing started from just one sentence. Now very quickly, let me show you something really interesting here. I've created another story here. So I'll take this shot, click on attach to prompt, click on trends, and now switch to the looks agent. The prompt is already given here. Once I generate this, you'll notice something. It creates multiple variations of the same shot, but with different lighting, color grading, and overall mood. So it's the same scene, but each version feels completely different. Use extract shot to extract the look you like. Now in the same way, I'll switch to the angles agent. And this time, it generates different camera perspectives of the same scene. You'll see things like close-up shots, wide shots, different viewing angles. So again, same scene, but now you can decide how it should be filmed. So basically, boards decides what happens, looks decides how it feels, and angles decides how it's shot. If you want to try this yourself, link is in the description. And yes, it's free for the next 2 weeks. You should definitely give it a try, guys. You can go from idea to storyboard to production all in one place. Right now, Boards Agent is free for the next 2 weeks on invideo. And if you're serious about video creation and want access to 80 plus image and video models with higher limits, I highly recommend exploring their paid plans. And that's how you can turn a simple idea into a full cinematic storyboard using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech to AI. And I'll see you in the next one.
Can't be real.